guys, and today we're going to do the cinnamon challenge. Ugh. All my friends have been trying it, so I'm gonna have to try it. Right. Just gonna have to put this right here. Doesn't work out. There we go. Now I'm gonna have to take the lid off and sprinkle it on. There we go, just proof so you can see that I'm doing it. Ugh. Ugh. Rotten. Why? There we go, nice and fresh. Alright, bye.